Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Boo. You will click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Boo. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. And again you can turn off your phone. And you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.